Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 12th of September 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and crossed the psychological 25k marks in the first hour, after which it steadily moved northwards, signaling underlying bullish momentum. It crossed its morning high in the second half of the day and managed to close at its higher band above 25k marks. It formed a bullish candle on the daily scale and has been making higher highs, higher lows from the last 4 trading sessions. India VIX was down by around 1.7% to 10.4 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.17. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,500 to 25,500 levels, while a immediate range is in between 24,800 to 25,200 zones. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 2,796 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 4,263 crores. FIIs indexed long-short ratio slightly increased to 10.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,950 for the next up move towards 25,250 marks, while supports have shifted higher to 24,900 zones. Bank Nifty has to hold above 54,500 for an up move towards 55,000 and 55,250, while on the downside, support can be seen at 54,500 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in NHPC, GAIL, Nalco, CG Power, IOC, Tata Chemical and Britannia. While some weakness could be seen in BSE, Ambuja Cement, CDSL, PB Fintech, Trent and SBI Life. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.